So let me ask you something. Have you ever tried dropshipping, not the YouTube gurus version that promise yachts and Lambo? I'm talking about the real messy, middle chaotic version where you're stuck hunting for suppliers at 2 a.m. translating broken product description that sounds like Google Translate. Took an app and consistently praying for customer does not message you asking for a shipping update because let's be real, you don't have one. Yeah, that's the version most people end up with. Everyone talks about how dropshipping is the easy business model. Means no inventory, no storage cost, low startup capital. Sounds like a dream, right? But the truth is, once you get into it, you quickly realize there's a big gap between the dream and the actual day-to-day. You find a good product that looks good, you list it on your store, you get your first sale, and you are hyped. Then comes the supplier ghosting you, or shipping takes 4 weeks, or the customer emailing you furious asking why they got a completely different item in a crushed box. Sound familiar? You try to be a good seller, but you don't control the inventory, you don't control the packaging, you don't even control the timeline. And the worst part, you're often stuck figuring all this out after you already made the sale. And that's why kills momentum for a lot of new dropshippers. It's not the product, it's the chaos. And this is where Doba enters the chat. And no, this is not one of those life-changing overnight pitches, but Doba does not promise to make you rich in your sleep. But what it just offer structure, simplicity, and the actual peace of mind. It's a dropshipping platform that actually works for real humans trying to run real businesses. Instead of juggling 5 tools, a chaotic spreadsheet, and 3 doctor suppliers contacts from an Alibaba rabbit hole, you log into Doba and it's all there. The product, the inventory, the fulfillment, the tracking, all under one roof. It's like someone took all the duct tape and chaos out of traditional dropshipping and finally built something that makes sense. So how Doba actually works, let me break it down, because clarity is what makes Doba so refreshing. First step is simple, no complicated onboarding, no weird approval delays, just create your account and you are in. Doba has millions of products you can browse. They are not random items pulled from sketchy sellers. Every supplier is rated and verified. You pick the product you want, set your own pricing, and publish them to your online store. And when someone places an order on your store, you just click to fulfill it on Doba. They process the order, ship the product to your customer, and providing tracking all without you lifting a finger after that. Means no packaging, no warehouse, no messy backend stuff. You run the business, Doba handed the grind. Okay, so what makes Doba really different? For starters, you actually trust what you are seeing. One of the biggest issues with traditional dropshipping platforms is outdated inventory and misleading product info. You will see an item listed as in stock, but when it's come time to fulfill the order, it's nowhere to be found. Doba fixed that with real-time inventory updates. When something goes out of stock, it's disappear from your catalog, or you get notified so you can update it instantly. No more angry customers, no more sorry for the inconvenience refund email. Then there's the supply transparency. You are not dealing with someone faceless factory 3 time zone away. You can actually review supplier performance, ratings, and fulfilling data. And perhaps most importantly, Doba is not taking a huge chunk of your profits. You set your pricing, so you know exactly what your cost is. The rest is your margin. No hidden fees, no steady platform commission, just clear numbers. So let's say you're running a niche store that focused on eco-friendly home goods. You log into Doba, search bamboo kitchenware, and find a sleek, modern bamboo unsteel set. It fits your brand perfectly. You add it to a store, set your price at $29.99, and you are good to go. Then a customer places an order, you go into Doba, click fulfill, the order gets processed, shipped, and tracked, all without needing to personally contact anyone. You just made money without ever touching the product, and your customer, they get a great experience, fast delivery, proper packaging, and the exact product they saw on your store. That's what you are aiming for, a business that runs smoothly without constant damaging control. Now you might be thinking, what if I'm brand new? I have never sold anything before. That's the best part. Doba is beginner friendly without feeling limited. You don't need to commit to a giant inventory. You are not locked into expenses, monthly fees upfront. You pay when you sell. It's low risk, high learning, and just enough structure to help you focus on the part that matters, building your store and growing your brand. Whether you are selling home decor, pet accessories, fitness gear, or trending gadgets, there's room for you. Now let's be honest, no platform is perfect. You are gonna have questions, things might get little confusing as you scale up. But with Doba, you're not left in the dark. Their support team actually responsive. There's live chat, email support, and a full help center with guidance and walkthroughs. And if you like to learn at your own pace, there's even a product sourcing training series to help you understand how to pick winning items. This is not just a tool, it's a full ecosystem built for people who want to actually make dropshipping work. So let's recap real quick. Tired of juggling unreliable suppliers, sick of wondering if the items even in stock, don't want to handle shipping or packaging, want to sell real products from real suppliers, prefer transparent pricing and profit margins, like doing it all in a one-click dashboard, Doba checked all those boxes. At the end of the day, dropshipping can still work in 2025, but only if the tools you are using are actually built for it. And that's what Doba is. It does not overpromise, it does not sugarcoat, it just works. And in a business where working is half the battle, that's a big win. So if you are serious about turning your store into a real business, not just a side hustle with hope and duct tape, check out Doba. Link in the description right now and see how it fits. And if you want to know more about Doba, then definitely go and watch watch this video now. And yeah, don't forget to hit that like and that red subscribe button down below. So see you soon in my next video.